and electricity grid is kind of the other linchpin. But if that's something you can overcome, then you pretty much have a recipe for a lot of growth, which is why a lot of those southeastern states, Georgia, I mean, Atlanta has exploded, and Charlotte Metro, Raleigh, a lot of South Carolina, obviously Florida has grown tremendously because it has all those factors, and there's a lot of inbound migration. So you don't even need to factor in the obsolescence of the current housing stock because there is none relative to the growth of the population and what kind of inbound numbers and population swings they've seen in the last 2 decades. So that's why you see the growth there. And then because the land is fragmented and owned by thousands of different people, it's easier to pick off 10 acres here and 15 acres there and 30 acres here. And you can kind of use the existing infrastructure until you can get those capital improvements to continue to expand, which is interesting to watch those growth rings of those East Coast cities. It's much more fragmented in little arteries along existing infrastructure versus our cities to the west of the Mississippi, even most of Dallas Metro, kind of these logical concentric rings, because it was wherever the political will was there to extend the infrastructure to the urban growth boundary. Not all jurisdictions call it that, but it's effectively what it is. It's the urban growth boundary, right?